morning everybody, bom dia a todos. Me and Susie and Mario the Mala, we are off out again today. We've got some friends there, they're just finishing off the drinks in the bar on the marina, and then we're off out for the day. We're probably going to head down the coast towards Benagil, see what the water's like. A little bit of wind about today, but we can tuck behind the cliffs. It's going to be a good day. Everybody, see you soon guys. Phil on board, and his lovely wife Sue, sat there on the sunbed. Got Josh and his mate there. Yeah. Teenagers playing on the phones again on a yacht. Unbelievable stuff. This week, Phil and Josh welcomed their level 2 power boat. Phil's got his day skipper's course sorted out for next year. So you might well be buying Andreza yet. We'll see about that. Depends on the price. Nice quiet day. Lovely. The boys there on the back. Give us a wave.
Hi. Calvert Lewin scored again, Josh. Huh? Calvert Lewin scored again.
Football. Yeah, a little walk up the front. There we are. Got a bit of a northerly wind, but we're stuck here behind. There's the wind now picking up. We're stuck here behind the cliffs in Albufeira. Just out of the wind. Hiding nicely. Lovely, lovely day. Just by the marina. There's Andreza. Susie's been off doing the usual snorkeling. Last week of September. Water's a bit chilly, I have to give you that. I wouldn't have been going in it today, but Susie's just a little bit crazy. Got a good view down to Villamora. What a beautiful day. Nice, lazy, lazy day. on YouTube now. Lazy days. Anchor. Sort of stuff. Normal fader.
You getting a bit close?
Yeah, I'm alright, don't worry, we're behind him. There we are. Yeah.
You're low one, you're low two.
Well, we've had a great day out. We finished up, just washed down. Guests have gone to the restaurant. We're going to go meet them in a minute, have a little bit of dinner. And it's been an end of another great day. Got to go to work tomorrow, unfortunately. Be away for about 5 days and I'll be back next weekend. Susie and I are going to try and get out again. The weather's forecast for the next couple of weeks is really good still, even though it's going to be October. So we'll be filming things, showing you the bits and pieces, and then we're going to do a couple of maintenance jobs on here, and we'll show you those as we're going through them. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye.